Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the canvas and dialing in essentials so you can work fast. Open the app, set canvas size and 300 dpi if you plan to print, choose orientation. Then pick a brush preset and set opacity and flow, enable tablet pressure to capture dynamics. Once done, open the Layers panel and add a background plus a labeled sketch layer. This keeps color and line work separate and saves time later, so you never lose early passes. You now focus on building depth and refining shapes. Start by blocking base colors on separate layers, then add clipping masks for shadows and highlights. This is non-destructive and makes changes easy. Next, experiment with layer blending modes like multiply and overlay to create realistic lighting. Make small opacity tweaks to balance intensity. Also, use selection tools and free transform to adjust proportions and composition. This keeps lines crisp and lets you iterate without redoing entire areas. You finish by preparing files for use and safeguarding your work. First, save a layered master in the app's native format so edits remain editable. Duplicate and flatten a copy only for final export. Then export in the correct format, PNG for web, TIFF or PSD for print, and confirm color profile. Finally, if something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting action. If tablet pressure isn't recognized, reinstall drivers and confirm the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.